sea floor. Okay. Okay, look here. Yeah, close. Try to close it. Yeah. Sit for some time. You feel that it is controllable? Okay. Just comes open like that. And you feel any in the back of the neck or anywhere any other like a pulling sensation or something like that? And head, you said there is aching? Headache?
While opening the mouth.
And the head shivers, vibrates very fast.
Yesterday was doing like this.
And yeah, that happens.
Oh. So this started yesterday at what time exactly in the evening?
They were around 6 o'clock.
That time before that, what did he eat?
When we were in a sandwich and that.
Nothing unusual.
Nothing.
You all also had the same
I
thing.
had the same sandwich and this got cool drink, then soup, वगैरह. The Rajdhani Express, whatever this.
Okay, when you're coming back from Delhi.
Yeah.